Hey, I'm out at Parkville, Missouri, where I actually wrote this poem in February 2024, just last month. I wrote it right on a bench, just right over there by the water, but people walk by there, so I thought I'd go to the center of the park and record. It's called The Crossing. 2 years ago, or was it 3, I went to Skagen, Denmark, where the two seas meet. I walked out onto the water, pulled my skirt and jacket high, felt the breeze chill my thighs. I've always wanted to know the places where two worlds collide, like the thin places in Ireland and each entrance to the hero's cave. Yesterday, a friend closed his eyes and told me what he saw. A guide whose heart shone brightly, helping others to cross a dark and dense sea. I looked up at my office wall where this image hangs of a girl whose hair extends and becomes the sea. Or is it the sea that is her hair? And I wondered, is she me? A blue book on a bookshelf sits alone on the bottom shelf, unnoticed until this moment. The Sea in You, the cover said, by David Whyte, an Irish poet. He also wrote, crossing the unknown sea, work as a pilgrimage of identity. Maybe he is also me. It's people like us in thin places who can see. This isn't, after all, just me. In Parkville, Missouri, where I run, I walked today along the water, and there in the curve, the river crossing itself told me that I am at a crossing. Jesus, that I am on a crossing where two worlds meet. I am two worlds colliding. Heaven is at my feet. I am two worlds colliding. Heaven is at my feet. I am two worlds colliding. Heaven is at my feet.